Hey guys, Tanner here with Phone Skope. So if you want to take pictures and video through your optics like this spotting scope with your GoPro, check out our new Hero 9 adapter plate. So as you can see here, we've got the C3 optic adapter mounted on this Swarovski ATX spotting scope, and got the Hero 9 case attached to the Hero 9 camera. So all you're going to do is just press it into the phone scope case just like that. Got the optic adapter, take the Hero 9, just twist it on, and you're ready to go. Yeah, video, there we go. So I'm in standard 1080 60 linear. So let's do that. So this is what it will look like without any of the zoom. So 1080, we're on linear. So let's see what the others look like. Narrow, linear. So if you actually go 1080 and narrow, that's what you're looking at. So that's pretty good, pretty awesome. I do have this set and adjusted perfectly to where you need it. As you can see, we're starting to get these soft edges, and that's something you want to avoid. So we're going to switch from the narrow to linear, and this is actually going to allow you to zoom a little bit further. So 39 millimeters on linear, and narrow is 27. So give you a little more reach, and you still get pretty good quality. If you want to just zoom it in immediately, you can do it right there in the menu. Slide that up, and now you've got a full frame digiscoping image. That's the Hero 9 available now. Also, the GoPro Hero 8 is available and is a similar setup. So check that out, phoneskope.com. If you have any questions, please let us know. support@phoneskope.com. You can also give us a call, 800-790-4480. Thanks for watching.